Second one. I have new pegs now. But you can see that right there on the forks. They rub when you grind. It's not that bad. Just if you a person that has your bike flipped over a lot, it's gonna make your bike look pretty strange. But it's a pretty light bike with the pegs. Like comes up to like 24 pounds. It's a 25 gear ratio, 25/9. The pedals, they rub out eventually like that, but they're really good. They work for me. But you should grind only on one side, because if you grind on two different sides, it's gonna mess your pedals up and you're gonna have no grip. But right there you can see the back one doesn't have anything, but it's been used, the back peg. The back thing is, the back hub is a Quando. It's really good. Works for me. It was a good, like those kind of cranks work really good. The bolts are good. They last a long time. Haven't had to tighten anything up yet. Flip it over, but it sounds really good. Flip it over now. And that's how it is. It's like, seat is pretty sick, but it's not that soft. It's pretty hard. It sounds wrong, but it is. The stem turns really, well, the headset turns really good. It's a really good, strong stem. Just you gotta tighten your bar to, like, really, really tight. Because if you don't, you're gonna learn like I did. I jumped down a four stair and ate shit. So, sometimes you shouldn't try. The grips are really soft. I was surprised about that, but they really are. And, oh, I got this new sticker. Well, it was on there last time, but it's still cool. Scuffed it on the side or something. Don't know what that is, but... And it comes with white wall tires. And for it to be a mongoose bike, it's really good. So thanks for watching my video. Like and subscribe.